Welcome to the world of unstoppable shredders, where trees are torn apart in seconds by monstrous forestry machines. From trunks to twigs, nothing survives the jaws of these brutal chippers. Subscribe now for raw power in action. Welcome to Woodpath channel. Watch as this wood chipper takes on a large pine tree. With powerful blades and a strong feed system, it pulls in the log and turns it into fine wood chips within seconds. Pine trees are full of sap and tough fiber, but this machine handles them with ease. Fast, clean, and efficient, built for tough forestry work. Echelbach B-Bear 110, a powerful wood chipper in action, grabbing and feeding large tree trunks into its body. Several people are filming and photographing the machine as if it were a newly invented device. The Bandit wood chipper roars to life, ready for action. Massive logs go in, and within seconds, they're shredded into fine chips. With a powerful engine and heavy-duty blades, Bandit machines are built for serious work. From forestry to land clearing, nothing stands in its way. Fast, tough, reliable. That's the power of Bandit. Amidst a clearing in the forest or a bustling timber yard, a bright red wood chipper stands prominently, massive, sturdy, and brimming with raw industrial energy. The deep growl of its diesel engine reverberates through the air, setting the stage for an impressive mechanical performance. Its wide intake chute gapes open like a ravenous mouth, ready to consume an unending stream of branches, limbs, and scattered logs. Beside it, a specialized hydraulic log loader moves with deliberate grace, like the practiced hand of a seasoned operator. The steel arm arcs and pivots with precision, swooping down to grasp tangled piles of tree waste, twisted branches, knotted roots, thick wooden stems, and raises them into position. With expert aim, it aligns the load with the chipper chute and releases it gently into the machine's grip. Immediately, feed rollers clamp down on the material, drawing it into the heart of the machine. Inside, a high-speed drum line with razor-sharp steel blades begins its furious work. The sound of grinding and chipping fills the air, piercing, metallic, relentless. In seconds, the wood is reduced to thousands of fine, consistent chips, expelled in a torrent from the discharge chute. This steady cascade of shredded material arcs through the air in a perfect trajectory, landing cleanly into the open bed of a waiting transport truck. Within minutes, the truck fills with tons of wood chips, destined for composting, fuel pellet production, or industrial boiler systems. Every part of the process moves with synchronized precision. The loader feeds, the chipper processes, the truck collects, no pause, no downtime. This is not merely automation, but a demonstration of modern wood processing mastery, an orchestration of power, engineering intelligence, and operational efficiency at its finest. At a sprawling timber yard, surrounded by towering piles of logs, a massive industrial wood chipper roars tirelessly into action. Giant tree trunks, thick and heavy, are devoured whole by the machine's gaping mouth, vanishing as if swallowed by a mechanical beast. Inside its steel shell, whirring gears and razor-sharp blades grind relentlessly into the solid wood. The piercing clash of metal and timber echoes through the air, intense, powerful, and unstoppable. In just seconds, the once mighty log is shredded into a storm of fine wood chips, forcefully expelled through the discharge chute like a cascading wooden waterfall. The entire process unfolds like a mechanical ballet, swift, precise, and awe-inspiring, a true symbol of modern wood processing technology at its peak. Steel teeth bite deeper into the earth, tearing through tangled roots like paper. Each motion of the machine marks progress, deliberate, unstoppable. Around it, nature watches in silence, yielding inch by inch to the rhythm of steel. A massive tree stands firm, but not for long. The powerful claw machine clamps down, gripping the trunk like a predator. With one powerful lift, it rips the tree from the earth, roots and all. Efficiency meets raw strength in this breathtaking display of modern machinery. With relentless force, the stump twisting machine locks onto the root. Its heavy-duty steel claw rotates with precision, breaking through thick wood fibers and tangled roots. In just seconds, the stump is torn from the earth, clean, efficient, and unstoppable. The excavator slowly digs around the base of the tree stump. Its bucket breaks the soil, exposing the roots one by one. As the machine pulls, the stump resists, but the operator adjusts, digs deeper, and tries again. Finally, with a firm lift, the stump cracks and comes loose from the ground. The machine grips the base of the stump tightly. With controlled force, it begins to twist, its massive head rotating, breaking through roots like threads. The ground shifts, dirt lifts, and bit by bit, the stubborn stump starts to turn. It's not just raw power, it's precision, designed to conquer what lies beneath. In just under a minute, the mighty Hitachi Zaxxas 200, armed with a ripper tooth, takes on a huge tree stump. With raw power and precise movements, the machine tears into the earth, loosening the massive roots. Bit by bit, the ground gives way, until finally, the stump is ripped out, victorious and intact. It's a stunning display of strength, speed, and engineering mastery. In front of the house stands a stubborn tree stump, an obstacle to a clean and open yard. The SP6016 stump grinder is ready for the task. With a deep growl, its engine roars to life. The powerful cutting wheel spins at high speed, its sharp teeth gleaming in the sunlight. Guided with precision by the operator, the SP6016 advances toward the stump. As metal meets wood, a flurry of wood chips fills the air. Layer by layer, the stump is ground down beneath the surface. Within moments, the once imposing stump is gone, leaving behind a smooth, clear space. The SP6016 has done its job, efficiently, powerfully, and cleanly. In the backyard, an old tree stump stands alone, a stubborn remnant of a long-removed tree, disrupting the beauty of the garden. It's time to reclaim the space. The stump grinder rolls into position. The engine roars, and the cutting wheel spins rapidly, its sharp steel teeth glinting in the garden sunlight. Under the skilled hands of the operator, the machine slowly approaches the stump. As steel meets wood, a crisp grinding sound fills the air. Wood chips scatter, layer after layer of tough wood is ground away. In just minutes, the stubborn stump is gone, leaving a smooth, clean surface ready for new grass, fresh flowers, and a more vibrant garden. Deep in the dense forest, an old tree stands tall, its roots buried deep in the earth, as if challenging the march of time. But the stump pulling machine is ready for battle. The engine roars to life as a massive steel arm reaches out, gripping the tree's trunk tightly. With powerful force, the machine begins to pull. The ground trembles, roots strain and crack as they are wrenched from the soil. The sound of snapping roots echoes through the forest. In moments, the towering tree is uprooted, clearing the way for new sunlight to reach the forest floor. Once again, mechanical strength triumphs over nature's resilience.